Hi everyone. We are doing our final project on the topic of phishing and the security technologies that are meant to combat phishing. You will learn what phishing is, what some of the best technologies on the market are, how to use one of these products, and finally, you will see a real life example of why security technologies are necessary. Firstly, phishing is the fraudulent practice of sending emails pretending to be from a reputable company in order to induce individuals to reveal personal information, such as passwords and credit card numbers. Why is this important? Phishing scams cost American businesses $500 million a year, according to Forbes.com. That doesn't even begin to account for the millions of average day people that are victims to phishing. Since many people are not educated on the subject of phishing, many people are left to believe that they really did win $1 million, and they really need to claim it with their personal information or else they'll lose it. Most email programs, such as Gmail and Outlook, already have policies in place to fight against phishing, but it's usually not enough. That is why companies enlist the help of third party programs, paid and free, to protect their unfortunately ignorant employees. But how about for a home user just trying to not lose their bank account information to the hands of a hacker? There are plenty of phishing extensions for Outlook, for example, such as Delphish and Stop Phishing and Mr.Post. Again, for this example strictly, we've used 3 Outlook extensions. However, we compared these 3 programs and ranked them by these criteria: their price, their user interface, their ease of use, and the multitude of the program's uses. Firstly, their price. They were all free, so they all ranked the same in that regard. Their user interface. Mr. Post had a much nicer user interface that was nicely integrated into Outlook. Their ease of use. With no tutorial at all, our team was able to quickly learn the uses that Mr. Post had to offer. And lastly, the multitude of the program uses. As you will see shortly, Mr. Post has many uses and combats phishing through several different fronts. When weighing these items together, we have found that Mr. Post was our personal favorite, free Outlook extension. Now we can begin talking about the product, Mr. Post. Mr. Post is a lightweight email inspector that can be downloaded as an add-on to your web-based Outlook program. From there, each email can be inspected by Mr. Post in a very user-friendly sidebar pop-up. Again, we will demonstrate to you how to use Mr. Post and each and every one of its uses. Now this is a video on how to download Mr. Post. You can do so by simply googling Mr. Post phishing, and it'll be the first link. It'll take you to a Microsoft website and you'll click Get It Now. As you see, my email is already there, and I'll press continue. It will then take you to this page where it says successfully installed, and you can try it on Outlook on the web. You click that link and it will take you to the web-based Outlook page, already logged into my email. I opened up the first email that I had just to show you, and there you go, Mr. Post has popped up. That little icon is the Mr. Post add-on. Now, here we're going to have a video on how to actually use Mr. Post. Carson has opened an email and he's about to click onto the Mr. Post add-on button. Once you click that add-on button, the Mr. Post sidebar pops up. It scans the email as a whole to see if any suspicious content is there. The first thing we'll talk about is this option, the Safe Objects, which shows you all attachments and links in the email, but this clearly states that they're safe. The next, you can see the real sender of the email. There may be possibly an alias email sending the email. And this header, shows you the status of the email itself, and depending on the email, that would change from suspicious to dangerous to safe. Here, Carson is showing you how the email routing of the actual email is shown. Mr. Post shows you each IP address that the email has actually gone through to actually get to your computer. And once you deem something unsafe, you can share it with others and tweet about it and share it on Facebook so others know not to make the same mistake. I'd also like to add, in regards to my earlier comment about people not being educated on the concept of phishing, people don't know not to open links. And as you can see, Mr. Post has a very clear, bolded line that says, do not open any attachments and do not click on any links that you are not familiar with. And now that you have seen how to use Mr. Post, let's see it being used in the real world.
Oh, I have to change my username and password for my Albany account?
Zoinks! Somebody responded to my email with their username and password. I wonder if this is the same for their banking account.
Oh, that's weird. My bank just messaged me. Let's take a look at the account. Where did all my money go? Hi, I would like to report a phishing email that I have received.
Oh no. Send an email right now. Alright, now let's look at the scenario if we were using Mr. Post.
This is a weird email. Reset my password. Let me check this with Mr. Post. Unsafe. Email unsafe and link unsafe. This must be a phishing email.
What's this? Somebody did not click on my link? They must have been using an anti-phishing software, like Mr. Post. Ah! Hey guys, welcome to my vlog, here with some cool digital forensic students, right now we're taking a video. These are the guys. I'm wearing a hat right now, it's forwards. Usually, I'm making a vlog, bro, wanna get in my vlog?
Hey yo,
What's up, guys? Follow me on Instagram,
Zachariah432.
Zachariah432, yo, any other plugs? Yo, wait for this. Bang, 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 boom, boom, yo. Nice one, bro. Yo, you know what? Don't even matter. Faux cheesy, bro. Alright, bye guys. I'll keep you updated for the future of the podcast.